Let's get the brain moving. Who engineered an 80-yard overtime touchdown pass that lifted Denver past Pittsburgh in the 2011 postseason opener? The answer here is option A, Tim Tebow. Name the breakout running back whose 2010 heroics put Cleveland's NFL squad on the cover of Madden NFL 12. Got it? Option D, Peyton Hillis. Identify the NFC squad that rode the Dirty Bird celebration to Super Bowl XXXIII after a 14-2 1998 season. You're looking for option A, Atlanta Falcons. This is where it gets interesting. During Super Bowl XXIX, an AFC West team quarterbacked by Stan Humphries challenged the 49ers. Which franchise was it? You're looking for option D, San Diego Chargers. This AFC South defense earned the moniker Saxonville while reaching the 2017 conference title game before tumbling to 5 wins a year later. Name the team. That one was option B, Jacksonville Jaguars. Known for 2 late interceptions in Super Bowl XXX, this Dallas cornerback snagged MVP honors before a short Raiders stint. Who was he? Lock it in. Option B, Larry Brown. Who captured Offensive Rookie of the Year in 2012 for Washington, but never matched that debut after multiple knee surgeries. Got it? Option D, Robert Griffin III. Final stretch, and it's not easy. Oversleeping a practice after rumbling for 201 yards and 4 TDs versus Indianapolis in 2014, this Patriots running back vanished soon after. Identify him. And the correct answer is option D, Jonas Gray. In 1983, an AFC West upstart toppled Denver and Miami to reach its first conference title game, yet didn't return there until 2005. Name the franchise. You're looking for option C, Seattle Seahawks. Guiding the 2001 Chicago Bears to a surprise 13-3 finish, which head coach earned NFL Coach of the Year before being dismissed after 2003. And it is option B, Dick Jauron. How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments and subscribe. We drop quizzes every day.